Your biggest fear according to your zodiac sign. Do you have a hard time dealing with your fear? Do you have a fear of failure or failing? These could be the phobias you are born with. Watch to find out what your stars have to say about your fear. Aries, fear of being forgotten and going unnoticed. The things Aries want from them is to make a huge impact on the world. They have a strong desire to leave a legacy. Their biggest fear is fear of being forgotten and going unnoticed. Taurus, the fear of moving too much. Known for being reliable, practical, Taurus people are the great stabilizers of the zodiac. The bull can be very stubborn in their perspective towards life, where they crave for stability, organization, and structure in their life. Gemini, fear of losing freedom. Geminis are headstrong, notoriously restless, independent creatures who like to be always on move. It is difficult for them to stick to a single idea or thought. Cancer, fear of leaving a safe place. Being very emotional, caring, and sensitive sign, Cancer finds comfort and safety in their homes. You take crabs out of their safe zone and their face will show signs of fear. Leo, fear of being ignored. The lions are born leaders. They are dramatic, creative, self-confident, dominant, and extremely difficult to resist. They want to be in spotlight always. Virgo, the fears of disorder and untidiness. Virgos are true perfectionists. They like order, discipline, and cleanliness. Virgos always pay attention even to the smallest details, hence they fear untidiness. Libra, fear of being alone. Libra is a sign of partnership. They like doing things in pair. The two sides of scales make a perfect pair. They are scared of being alone. Scorpio, fear of being ridiculed or laughed at. Scorpios are very complex, mysterious, strong-willed. They are very capable of hiding their feelings and motivations. They often have ulterior motives or a hidden agenda. Sagittarius, the fear of responsibility. Sagittarius is one of the biggest travelers among all zodiac signs. Being wildest and the most adventurous, they can't be easily tamed, and hence this is their biggest fear. Capricorn, fear of failure or failing. The goats are ambitious, determined, and practical. They are self-confident, have big goals, and put in their best efforts to achieve them. They are scared of losing all that. Aquarius, fear of being institutionalized in work. Aquarians are deep thinkers and have their own set of ideas and plans. The thick-headed rarely listen to anybody and would stick to their plans. They are capable of perceiving the future. Pisces, the fear of speaking in public. Though gentle and caring, Pisceans make very good friends. They are loyal, devoted, and compassionate. But that dreamy Pisces would rarely share their dreams, thoughts, and ideas with the rest of the world. If you enjoyed watching our video, do like and share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.